Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, yield lovers of all ages, welcome to GuesstiMania! Come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Check it. Twinkle lights and pyro flames, covered calls and crazy games. MSTY enters the ring, cash flow belts and payout kings. Volatility running high, beta lovers riding by. NVD throwing blows, nobody knows where the payout goes. Oh yeah. Step into a distribution, styling and profiling yield solutions. Brother, what you gonna do tonight when the payouts run wild on you? GuesstiMania. Who's gonna call it right? GuesstiMania. Come on, yield lovers unite. Covered calls and cash flow dreams, high yield louder than it seems. GuesstiMania. We're chasing glory tonight. Honey flexing center stage, OT locked inside the cage. YieldMax climbing off the ropes. Every payout fuels the hopes. Can you smell what YieldMax cooks? Everybody's getting hooked. Charts are pumping, premiums fly. Some get paid and some ask why. Who called MSI? Who nailed NVD? Who called MSI? Who nailed NVD? Glass breaks, crowd goes insane. Another payout drops again. The champ is yield. R to the O, to the D. And that's the bottom line, 'cause the cash flow set out. GuesstiMania, no script, no excuse. GuesstiMania, grit only, never lose. Arena lights and payout flames, everybody shout the names. GuesstiMania, we're chasing glory tonight. This is not financial advice. Always seek professional advice. We hope you were entertained, and if not, we'll do better next time. And if you made it this far and want to prove it, you gotta say the keyword